Now, listen very carefully. Kimi Räikkönen, Thierry Neuville, Nasser Al-Attiyah, Jorge Lorenzo, Robert Kubica, Yvan Muller. What do they all have in common? Besides being legends of motorsport, they've all driven this Citroen DS3 WRC, a car that's now available for sale. Still wearing its winning livery from the 2017 Catalonia Rally, this exceptional machine is equipped with the latest upgrades and represents a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a car driven by 5 world champions from across the motorsport spectrum. This is more than just another rally car. Don't wait. Contact the owner now and secure this incredible collector's item today.